Starting around 17 September 2023, Algorand is exchanging at $0.096 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.19% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. Algo by and large has a really all-out market cap of $751,854,740, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,850,248, which sort of is very critical. This in every way that really matters makes Algorand, Algo, lovely positioning at 45 in the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what really is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Algorand especially be essentially worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Algorand a sort of wise venture or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Will Algo cost fundamentally outperform its unequaled high in a kind of significant manner? These truly are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a very large manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross an extremely normal value level of 12 cents, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to especially be 12 cents, which truly is very critical. Besides, Algo can sort of arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 13 cents in an especially enormous manner. Algorand value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the very most extreme cost for Algorand could stretch around 11 cents. Which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023, especially is 10 cents, with a for the most part normal cost of 11 cents in a significant manner. Algorand value figure September 2023, in September 2023. The cost of Algorand truly is supposed to be at around an exceptionally least of 11 cents in a very large manner. Algorand cost can in every way that really matters, arrive at a truly limit of 12 cents. With the sort of typical cost of 11 cents in United States dollars in a very enormous way. Algorand value figure October 2023, in October 2023. The cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to be at around a for the most part least of 11 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially limit of 12 cents, with the genuinely normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars. Which especially shows that truly is Algorand a by and large wise venture, or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought. Algorand value expectation November 2023. The cost of Algorand in every practical sense is by and large anticipated to reach at a for the most part least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, which basically is genuinely huge. The Algo cost could especially arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of 13 cents. With the typical exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, which fundamentally is very critical. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand truly anticipated to basically arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of 13 cents and a by and large least of 12 cents. Extremely further appearance how the Algo cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of 13 cents, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of 12 cents, all through 2023, in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand by and large past value examination and the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been diminished by 0.49% in its certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming that we especially look at the kind of current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in a significant manner. From especially most recent 7 days the Algo was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 5.72%. Certainly further appearance how Algorand value figure September 2023, in September 2023. The cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to especially be at around at least 11 cents in a kind of significant manner. Algorand certainly has shown areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to for the most part dive right in and contribute pretty further appearance how Algorand in every way that really matters, past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been by and large diminished by 0.49%. in its truly current worth, which basically is genuinely huge. Inside the "in every way that really matters" most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo truly diminished by 59.222%, dispensing with an incredible certainly normal amount of 14 cents from its ongoing worth, or so they by and large thought. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a by and large great in a real sense purchase, an amazing open door for most certainly speedy speculation. Fundamentally further appearance how Algorand sort of has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be most certainly great chance to basically dive right in and contribute, by and large further appearance. How Algorand certainly passed value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 0.49% in its especially current worth in a kind of enormous manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 60.71%. And the cost most certainly coursed from a genuinely least lovely typical cost of 23 cents to sort of greatest exceptionally normal cost of 25 cents. In the especially beyond 90 days, in a very enormous manner, Algorand sort of is somewhere near 48.65%, with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin generally was around 17 cents, and the base pretty typical cost of in a real sense was around 16 cents in truly beyond 4 months, which certainly is very critical. Algorand Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will especially be Algorand all things considered worth in 2023? Which generally is genuinely critical. The Algo value sort of is gauged to in every way that really matters, arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 13 cents, with pretty least cost of 12 cents, toward the finish of 2023, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Does Algorand for the most part have a future, which especially is genuinely huge? As far as value, Algorand in every practical sense has an exceptional most certainly potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels. Or so they really thought. It generally is gauged that Algo will increment in esteem, which in every practical sense is very huge. As per in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business examiners, Algorand can raise a ruckus around town, most exorbitant cost of $3.93 till 2030. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Is Algorand most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Algorand's worth basically is supposed to for the most part keep on growing, as lack will in general energize cost rise. By and large further appearance, how Algorand cost can in every practical sense arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of 12 cents. With the truly normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note there in a real sense is a gamble to any venture, which especially shows that Algorand value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand in every practical sense is supposed to in a real sense